Mutual fund has long been discussed word among common people or common investors, and there are many misconceptions regarding mutual fund. Like mutual fund can ruin your money, mutual fund cannot give return in time, and so and so. But I am here to disperse all your misconception, and I'm going to tell you the reasons why you should choose mutual fund as a mode of your investment. Hello guys, my name is Prosenjit, and i'm I'm giving you the reason one by one, and after that you should decide whether you should invest in mutual fund or not. Before that, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel, click on the like button, comment and share the video, and don't forget to click on the bell button to get updates and notification from the channel. So I am giving the reason one by one. The first reason you should choose mutual fund as a mode of your investment is that mutual fund does not require any special knowledge about investing your money. If you invest in stocks or in a share of a company, then you need to make research for some days that whether the stocks is performing well or not, and not only single stocks, but you have to make research on several stocks, and then you have to choose good stocks. But if you invest in mutual fund, then you don't need to make those research. It is the duty of the fund houses, and they engage some people called some expert people, and they are called fund manager, and they take all the initiative and they take all the hard work to make that research and choose some selective funds, and then they invest our money. So it is their duty, it is not our duty, and that's why you can choose mutual fund for your investment. Investing in mutual fund can save your time. I'm saying so because if you invest your money directly in share market, then you have to make research on various stocks, and you have to spend your time in researching which fund is growing well, which of them is giving you more return. But if you invest your money in mutual fund, then the fund houses makes the research on behalf of you. They engage the fund manager, the expert man who has the knowledge and who has the education. They take all the fund manager take all the initiatives, like researching and on many stocks, and finally they select some stocks which can give you more return, and time to time they also send you the statement from which you can be updated. So the investing in mutual fund can save your time. Suppose I have 1000 rupees in my pocket and I want to buy some stocks or shares of a company, the price of which is more than the money I have. Suppose the price of a particular share is 2000 rupees. Then what will I do? Simply I can't buy those stocks. But in mutual fund, there are several stocks in a single fund. The fund manager makes a list of stocks, and when I invest my money through mutual fund, my money gets invested in those best quality stocks which I once wanted to buy. So mutual fund, we can say that with mutual fund, less money and many stocks. So it is good for the common investors to invest their money in mutual fund, because they can have the chance to get several stocks in a single mutual fund. In a single fund, mutual fund is less risky and more secure than investing directly in stock market. Suppose you buy a stock of a company and the company goes down, then you will face only loss. But if you invest through mutual fund, then you will have the option of investing in several stocks. If one stock goes down, and there are more possibility that that another will go up, so the return you will get the average of these stocks, the average performance. So it is more secure, more suitable for the humble investors, and it is less risky. We can easily invest through mutual funds. With mutual fund, we can start investing our money with minimum 500 rupees. It has the special instrument, I think all you know about it, that is SIP, systematic investment plan. We can invest with, or we can start SIP with minimum 500 rupees. In a monthly, we can deposit this money monthly or quarterly or half yearly or annually. And if we want to invest lump sum money, then the minimum amount would be 5,000 rupees. So it is the advantage of investing in mutual fund, that we can start with minimum amount. But if you want to invest in directly in stocks or in shares, then you will have to spend more money than that. Investing in stock market is much costlier than investing in mutual fund. In stock market, you need to give demand account charge, brokerage fees, exchange fees, etc. But in mutual fund, you do not give such fees except the fund house charge, which is very minimal. And maximum fund houses offers funds which have no entry load and no exit load. But in India, if you redeem the units within 1 year, then you have to give 1% of the total valuation, and also you have to pay the government taxes of 15% of the capital gain. And otherwise you don't need to spend a single penny for investing in mutual fund. In mutual fund, there are always options to choose your fund according to your need, and at the same time it is goal based. If you There is debt fund for short term return, and there is a equity fund for high growth and high return. If you want your money back in very short time, then you can choose debt fund. And if you can keep your money for a longer period of time and you want high return, then you can choose equity fund for that. And also there are balanced fund, which is mixed of equity and debt fund, which can give you stable return in a longer period of time. So in mutual fund, there is always options for choosing your fund according to your need. Lastly, if we sum up about mutual fund, then we can say that it is mostly suitable for the common investors who cannot make research on the stocks and don't have enough time to make those research. And it is suitable for those who want several stocks in their hands in a single fund. And for those who have not huge money and want to invest with small amount, then they can choose mutual fund, and it is more secure and less risky, and it is also goal based. That's why we choose mutual fund for investing our money. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment.